Hello, today we're going to be installing a safety cone holder on my trailer. Okay, I ordered this safety cone a couple weeks ago and it finally came in, and I've kind of modified it so that it'll adjust to my personal trailer and where I want it and the space. So it goes like that, and the metal bracket, you know, it screws to the frame or however your trailer is, and it mounts to the frame. But today, what I'm going to do, because I'm tired of my safety cones moving around on the trailer, and I also want to have that professional look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify my own. It didn't come with any screws. That's a bummer. So I had to get my own screws to mount this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take two hose clamps, and I'm going to turn those hose clamps into anchor bolts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open those hose clamps up, and if you notice, the hose clamps have little holes in them, so I can make my anchor for that. And there we are. Once I cut it with the 10 snips, I have my own bracket to mount that. I'm going to open up the second hose clamp, and I'm going to stretch it out, and that's it right there. Once I take the hose clamp loose, this is a 1/2 inch close hose clamp, so I'm going to take my 10 snips and I'm going to just snip that in right off. Okay, throw it in my trash bucket. Okay, now what we have is two mounting brackets for my project. I have my own screws here. They're all Phillips head. So I'm going to take my electric drill, because my battery powered drill is in the house, and I'm going to just get a brief look-see here of where I want I want them approximately right there center, and so I know exactly where I want to mount my mounts. So I'm going to take my Phillips screw, run it through one of the holes on the hose clamp, just like that. See, doing this stuff, you can't get in this game without having some kind of skills. You have to modify different things, and you have to be mechanically inclined so that you can do simple projects on your own. Now that when I mount the other side, that thing will be solid as a rock. Alright, I'll show you what my results are after I'm done. Alright guys, I have my safety cone holder mounted. I painted it black, and this is how they go. Boom. Now my safety cones are on there. I don't have to worry about the wind blowing them. It's got a professional look, and the name of the game is to perfect your craft, or to enhance your trailer, and or have better organization. Now I want everything organized. That's why I have the weed whacker mounts on here. On the opposite side, I have my steel edger, and I'm very happy with that. Thanks, guys.